Did you know that history is more than just a collection of dates and events? It's a dialogue between the past and the present. Today, we'll explore the fascinating definition of history, its sources, methods, and the interpretations that shape our understanding of past events. What exactly is history? This question might seem simple. However, history is not merely a record of what happened. As historian Carr famously pointed out, history is an ongoing interaction between historians and their facts. It is through this interaction that we construct narratives about the past. To better understand history, we must grasp the key concept of sources. Historical knowledge is built on sources, which are the remnants of past events that remain with us today. These sources vary widely. They can be written documents like diaries and letters, material artifacts like tools and clothing, oral histories that preserve memories, or visual sources such as paintings and photographs. Historians examine these sources to interpret the past, but they also understand that no source is perfect or complete. Biases and context always play a role. Next, let's consider how historians analyze these sources. There are several methods that historians utilize. They perform source criticism to evaluate the authenticity and reliability of sources. They engage in comparative analysis, looking at multiple sources to identify contradictions and corroborations. Contextualization is also key, as understanding the environment in which a source was created can uncover deeper meanings. Moreover, interdisciplinary approaches often enhance historical analysis by incorporating insights from other fields like sociology and archaeology. The importance of the historian's role cannot be understated. Historians are not just passive recorders of facts, they actively create interpretations. This leads us to historiography, the study of how history is written and understood over time. Historiography allows historians to see how their own contexts shape the narratives they produce. Different generations of historians build on the work of their predecessors, continuously reshaping our understanding of historical events. To illustrate, consider a historian studying World War II. They might draw on a variety of sources, using documents from both Allied and Axis powers to construct a narrative that highlights the complexities of the conflict. Through source criticism, they might uncover biases in government reports and piece together a more nuanced understanding of the war. In summary, history is not a stagnant collection of facts, it is a dynamic conversation that is constantly evolving. Understanding history requires the careful evaluation of sources and awareness of how context shapes interpretation. Historians play a crucial role in this process, using methods of analysis to construct narratives that reflect a deeper understanding of the past. So, what can you do next? Dive into historical sources. Explore primary documents, such as letters or diaries, and start questioning their context and meaning. Remember, history is alive and waiting for you to engage with it.